How's it going, sir?
Okay.
Good, good. I'm Officer Saucedo with the Lordsburg Police Department. Reason why I'm pulling you over, you were going 10 over the speed limit, 40 and a 30.
Okay.
Okay, do you by chance have your license, registration, proof of insurance, sir?
Yes.
Where are you headed to today, if you don't mind me asking?
I'm going to the gas station.
Oh, okay.
I come back from Arizona.
Oh, okay.
I live in Silver City.
Really?
I come down here to get my gas.
Oh, shoot. For gas, huh?
Yeah.
Is it cheaper over here than in Silver?
Yes, yes it is.
How much, if you don't mind me asking?
30 to 40 cents.
Sheesh.
Let's see, where is my license? I got my registration and glove box, but I can
Okay, that's fine. Zero, 2, 3, 1, 9, 6, 4, 9, 2. Sir, I'm gonna go let you go with the verbal warning, okay? I'm gonna go handle that guy.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Go ahead.
PD 35 Central.
Central PD 35.
Go ahead and 22 that traffic. I'm gonna be going after another vehicle. Stand by for location.
1459.
PD 35 Central traffic.
35, good.
East Motel Drive next to the pilot cars with the Mexico 28 85843 Union Oversum. It's going to be a gray Dodge Charger. What's going on, man?
What's going on? How are you telling someone to slow down while you're in a fucking traffic stop, bud?
What are you getting aggressive for?
Why are you? Do you know who the fuck I am?
Who are you?
Don't worry about it. You're in front of my fucking property. That's where the fuck we're at.
What's your name, man?
Don't worry about it. Run the fucking plate.
Well, I just did.
All right, and what did it come back to?
Well, I don't know. I haven't got my returns yet.
Do your fucking returns.
Go ahead and step out,
Make sure
man.
your supervisor get here.
I don't need a supervisor.
You don't. You sure?
We're just gonna talk,
You sure?
dude. Calm
Call
down.
Aaron. I'm not.
Why do you want me to
call
call
Aaron? Call Aaron. I'm telling you, call Aaron. You want to play this game, dude?
I'm not. Hold on.
What did you pull me over for?
Okay.
What was the
in the middle
probable
of a
cause?
traffic stop.
Yes, and you're telling me to slow down. How do you know I'm speeding?
Are you done?
No. How do you know I'm
done?
speeding?
Dude, you literally revved your engine and took off in front of me.
Because you did this. Because you did this, right?
Yeah, I said slow down.
So how do you know I was speeding?
Because, dude, you took off right in front of me.
How do you know I was speeding?
Dude, you literally
Dude,
took off
you're
right
not in your
front of me.
fucking car to tell me if I'm speeding or not. Why are you stopping me?
Because you're speeding. Okay,
How did you track that? How did you track it? How did you track it?
I was honestly gonna let you
Aaron
go with the
here.
verbal.
Fuck you, dude. Get Aaron, man.
Go step out, dude. I'm not playing
Step out
games.
for what?
Just step out so I can talk to you over here, man. Step out.
Okay. Make sure you get your supervisor here, man. Who's on duty today?
Me, Aaron, and Shepard.
Yeah, all right, get Aaron then.
I don't need Aaron here.
All right,
I'll talk
well,
to you
get
here.
Shepard.
You have your license?
No, I'm not giving. I do.
You have your license, brother?
So you're not asking me for nothing else?
I'm asking for your license.
For what?
Registration.
For what?
Your insurance.
For what?
Because the reason why I'm pulling you over
Go
for
ahead.
speeding.
You don't. How did you track me speeding?
Dude,
you're not in your fucking car. You were outside, right? Call Aaron, motherfucker. Fucking dumbass. I don't need this camera. I got your camera. Don't worry about
That's
it.
alright, brother.
It's alright.
Go
You'll
ahead and
figure
have a
out.
seat or something.
Have a seat.
Yeah, just have a seat.
No, I'm standing right here, man.
I don't know why you're acting dumb with me, dude. I'm just trying
How
to
am I
do
acting
my
dumb with you?
traffic
You abandoned your traffic
Bro.
stop to come pull me the fuck over, right?
Yeah, dude, because you're hauling butt, dude.
You abandoned your
Back up.
traffic.
How about you just back up?
Now
a little
we're in front of my fucking property.
bit? Okay, I don't care if it's your
Okay,
property or not.
but now why are you so afraid?
I'm
Why
not
are you
afraid,
making me
dude.
back up?
Just back up, man.
Okay.
You're raising your hands and you're getting
I'm raising
mad
my
at me.
hands. I'm from Philly. Ask Aaron. He'll tell you.
Okay.
That's just how I talk.
Okay.
Don't
Well,
be you're a little bitch.
dude, okay, man.
Whatever, man.
It's whatever. So you have
We'll
your license on you?
When your supervisor gets here.
Okay. Well, he'll come.
All
I'm
right.
pretty sure he'll tell you the same thing too.
No, I mean when he gets here, we'll see. Because you don't have a reason to pull me over.
Dude, you hauled butt going past
How
me.
did-
How
did you
every
track the
normal
speed?
person
How did you
knows.
track the speed?
Okay.
How did you track? What was the speed limit right there?
Okay.
What's the speed limit right
That's
there? 45.
40.
45.
40.
Where's
Dude,
the 40
I do
mile
this
an hour
for a
sign?
living. Sit down.
Dude, you're brand new.
Okay. Whatever
You're
you
brand
say.
new.
Whatever you say.
Yeah, you're new.
Yes, sir.
You'll figure it out real quick.
Yes, sir. I will.
Oh man.
Makes you big and bad, right?
Makes me big and bad. How's it make me big and bad? How's it make me big and bad?
You just.
You don't even have a reason to fucking pull me over,
You're a
dude.
street attorney. You're good, brother.
I'm
so-
an attorney?
Yeah, you're acting like one, so.
What? I'm an attorney? All right. All right. You still didn't run the plate yet.
I ran the plate.
So what did it come back to?
I don't know, because I didn't get my
Well, then-
returns yet.
Then
so.
you'll figure out why I have to drive.
Okay. That's cool, man.
You just don't make any sense, dude.
I don't.
How do you abandon a traffic stop? And this is what you did. And
Yeah,
when you
and I
did
told you to
this,
slow
when
down.
you did this,
Okay.
that gave me even the more of a fucking power to go, because if you're not inside your car, you can't tell me to slow the fuck down
Okay.
outside.
Okay.
The fuck you think you are?
Whatever you say.
Fucking rookie, man.
Yep.
How long you been a cop for?
Don't worry about it.
Yeah. Don't worry, I'm gonna get all your information.
Okay.
Don't worry.
That's cool. Jonathan
Don't worry.
Saucedo, number 35, Lordsburg Police
All right,
Department.
cool.
All right.
Cool.
Cool.
Yeah. All right. Stupid, man. You
Yeah,
just
I
wasted
know.
your own fucking time.
It is, right? You didn't have to speed, and I was honestly gonna let you go with the verbal, dude. That's all
I
it was.
wasn't. Did I
Dude.
slow down? Did I? Hold on.
Back up.
Did I do
Back
it?
up
Did I
right
do
now,
it?
dude.
You're
I'm not
so
playing
scared,
games, dude.
Fuck, I'm talking to you.
Okay.
How do you want me to
back
talk
up.
to you?
Well, relax, dude. That's all you gotta do.
You pulled me over
I
for
didn't come
no
over
valid reason.
I didn't come over here acting like a douchebag towards you, huh?
You told
Did
me
I?
to get out the fucking car.
Dude, because you're starting to act stupid. I'm like, come here and talk to me.
Get
dude.
out the. You think that I want to hurt you,
Okay.
dude? Are you fucking stupid? I live in this fucking community.
I don't care.
I don't give a fuck either. Then fuck
Okay.
you, man. You're stupid, man. Like you're gonna. I'm telling you, man. Like I'm not gonna waste my time with you.
Okay, man. That's okay.
You just. Like you don't even have a real reason to pull me over.
You were speeding.
You were standing. So how'd you track my speed, sir? How'd you track my
You
speed?
were just speeding, man.
How did no?
Okay.
But how did you track my speed?
I don't know.
You don't. So how are you gonna? If you write me a ticket, how are you gonna fight this in
Like
court?
I said, I was gonna just give you a verbal, dude. But
All
you
right.
wanted to get all dumb and stupid.
So I
when
got
you
all
don't
dumb
need
and
to.
stupid.
Yeah, you started going crazy. Oh, you're stupid. You're calling me all kinds
Because
of shit.
I just watched
Oh,
you
come on,
abandon
dude.
your traffic stop.
Yeah. So what makes you think I can't come pull you over?
So what? That person was speeding, right?
Yeah.
And that's
And I
exactly
was
why
gonna
you.
give him a verbal too, dude.
And you did let him go.
Yeah, and I did. And I was gonna dude. I was
So
about to
if
do
I
the
was
same thing
speeding,
to you.
why wasn't I gone already? How did I let you catch me if I was speeding?
You took off right in front of me, dude. Don't try to play these
Because you
games.
did. Why did you do
Don't
this?
try to play
Why
these
did you do
games.
this?
To tell you to slow
So is
down.
that going to show you in the video when you did this?
Yeah, because I was recording the whole
But
time.
why did you do this?
To tell you to slow down. You were already
You
speeding.
can't tell me to slow down.
Okay.
You have someone pulled over.
Okay.
So how did you track
Just jump
my
in your
speed?
car. I'm done. Have a good day.
No. You just told me to
Jump
stand
in your car.
here.
Jump in your
Where's
car.
your supervisor at?
He's
man?
not coming. So just jump in your car. Have a good day, man. I'll deal with you later. Go ahead. That's okay. Go ahead.
Tell me. You're abandoned his traffic stop. And he won't get his
PD 35 cents. We'll go to 22. The chief. Enforcement traffic.
04 break Central 31. 35 to 32.